Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog, and certainly one of the best features of the AirPods is the flexibility that they offer, not needing to be tied down by wires. With that being said, you don't always want to be having both earbuds in your ear at once. Perhaps you're driving or working out, or in general just need to have one ear open. In the instance where you just have one AirPod to yourself and are not sharing the other one, you can keep the other AirPod in its case, and the remaining AirPod will automatically switch to stereo mode so that both the left and the right soundtracks will go to that single AirPod. If, however, you don't have your case around, or you don't want to put your AirPod into the case, or you just forget, you could be missing out on some important details or cues or sounds, whether it be from a movie or a song, if you have the other AirPod out, because it will continue playing. So for instance, if you are on YouTube and you take out an AirPod, it will not auto pause because that does not have the auto pause functionality built in, but the remaining AirPod will continue to play the sounds, and any sounds from that track will not be heard because you only have one AirPod in. Or in the instance when you're sharing an AirPod, you're only getting the right or the left track and the other person has the other track. So especially for movies, it can be very important that you do not miss some of those details. So if you hop into the settings on any device you have, any of your Apple devices, and you go into accessibility and sound, you'll have the option to turn on mono sound. This will ensure either of the AirPods and both of the AirPods have both the left and the right tracks so that you are not missing any important information. This tip by itself is pretty minor, but the implications can be pretty big. If you're ever listening to just one AirPod while the other is outside of its case, whether it be sharing with somebody or just sitting outside on your desk, it's definitely important that you have mono audio turned on so that you are not missing any important information. If this tip was useful for you, make sure to leave a comment down below. Check out iDownloadblog.com for more information and more tutorials, and thank you for watching.